Hi everyone, today I'd like to talk to you about SME or Society of Manufacturing Engineers. My name is Ben Shuster and I'll be the president of SME next semester. Just to start off, I'd like to say I think everyone should join SME. There are no requirements and all majors are welcome. It's a wonderful opportunity, whether this is something that you think you want to go into in manufacturing, you can actually understand and see what it looks like, or if you just want to see what's out there. It's a really cool opportunity to go to Honda Marysville and see how a car is made, or go to Amazon and see how their fulfillment centers work. We've even gone to IMTS in Chicago, and that was really cool. So we've gone on some really cool tours. At the bare minimum, they're a really awesome opportunity just to see what's out there. But especially if you're an ETM or you think you want to go into business analytics or anything else that pertains to some of these tours, it's a wonderful opportunity to see if this is something you truly like. For me, I joined my freshman year. I started as a member. I became the treasurer the next 2 years, and now I'm becoming the president. It's a wonderful opportunity to grow, especially if you join our executive team. I highly recommend that as well. I've gained a lot from this. Some of my best friends are now in Society of Manufacturing Engineers and even on the board with us. It really has been a wonderful opportunity for me. I figured out what I wanted to do after college. And that's a very hard question coming in. You're always thinking, okay, I know why I want to be here. I like my major, but where do I want to go with it? And so getting to go into some of these plant tours and see what I do and what I don't like was extremely valuable to me. And that's personally what I gained from this the most. Past that, obviously, I have some incredible relationships that were built. I've worked with Dr. Littell. He is our faculty advisor, and it's also very beneficial to get to know Dr. Littell on a closer level. But ultimately, SME has really gained a lot for me. I think it's a wonderful opportunity for everyone, and I would highly recommend it to anyone. So next, I have Grant Schroeder. He's going to give a real quick, blurb on how, what he gained from this, and we'll let you guys go.
Hi, my name is Grant Schroeder, and I'm a sophomore majoring in engineering, technology, and management. I am currently the vice president of the Society of Manufacturing Engineers. I joined SME when I was a freshman, and I initially joined to get involved on campus. SME has done a lot for me. It has built many one-on-one connections with my professors. It has also introduced me and guided me to new clubs, and I've also met some of my best friends by joining SME. SME has monthly meetings, we go on plant tours, and there's no requirements to join. I would highly recommend to other students to join SME because it's a well-run organization and it gets you connected on campus, but it also gets you connected off campus by introducing you to your future employers.